students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss national income by income or expenditure method. Items are given, so let us start. First of all, income method. The components of income method are: number 1, compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. The components of compensation of employees are: one component is given, that is wages and salaries. Item number 3rd, plus, which is 25,000 plus operating surplus. For operating surplus, the items of operating surplus are: item number 1, which is rent 1500 plus rent, then royalty is also given. Item number 7, which is 200 plus then interest is given. Item number 9, which is 6400 plus profit. These two components are related to profit. Corporate tax or profit after tax means dividend, rather corporate savings are not given. So item number 9th, item number 10 or item number 11, 10 plus item number 11. These all are the components of operating surplus. Rather, the value of mixed income is not given, so we will put 0 against it. So item number 10, that is 200 plus item number 11, which is 4000. These are all are the components of operating surplus plus 0 mixed income. So if we sum up all these values, we get NDP at FC. So NDP at FC is equal to 37300, and we have to calculate national income. National income means NNP at FC. NNP at FC is equal to NDP at FC plus net factor income from abroad. NDP at FC 37,300 plus net factory income from abroad, which is 50. So the answer will be 37350. So this is national income by income method. Next we have to calculate expenditure method. We know that the components of expenditure method are: number 1, private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. These 4 components are related to expenditure method. So let us see what is the private, where is the private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure, 2 components are given. Item number 12 plus item number 15. These 2 components are the private final consumption expenditure. Item number 12, which is 26,000 plus item number 15, that is 300. ये private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure, government, which is 11,200. Item number 5th plus gross domestic capital formation. Item is not given, rather net domestic capital formation, because this is fixed capital formation, so change in stock will be included in it. Item number 14th plus item number 13th. Rather, we have to sum up depreciation in it. So value of depreciation is not given, which would be equivalent to 0, plus net exports is given, प्लस करनी है which are -200 and this is item number 8th. Plus, so item number 14 will be 600 plus 100 minus 200. So if we sum up all these value, we get 38,000. So this is GDP at MP, because by these four components, by expenditure method, we calculate GDP at MP, and we have to calculate national income or NNP at FC. For the calculation of NNP at FC is equal to, recently we have calculated GDP at MP. GDP at MP minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes is equal to GDP at MP. Calculations are 38,000 minus depreciation is not given, right? We are writing 0 against it, depreciation 0, then net factor income from abroad, second item which is 50 plus 50 minus net indirect taxes, indirect taxes minus subsidies. So the value of indirect taxes are 1000 minus 1000 minus subsidies 300. So we are putting indirect taxes minus subsidies into bracket. So the calculations will be 38,000 plus 38,000 plus 50 minus 700, which will be equivalent to 37,350 will be the answer by expenditure method for the calculation of national income. So again, if we calculate national income both by income or expenditure method, then answer will be same, 37,350. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos, more numericals related to income method.